to my channel, and today we're going to do some of these open toys, and then we're going to open this one so these little canadas. And he has so many toys, but there's only one toy, and the sand, and this one with this, and this giant one too, and this one, and that one. That's enough. Now I'm going to open it. I can't wait to see what's inside. We go in some chocolate water. I don't even know what's in there. I don't know what to do. Ooh, some. Okay. Ooh, it's just happy thing. It's chocolate. Let's put sprinkles on it. Let's put this on it. Here. Open it. Open it. Yep. Okay, let's put it back together. It's not gay. That's so pretty. Whoa, that is so pretty. Okay, now open this for me, please. Open it up. Now let's see what's inside. Huh? Nothing. Something from my face. What's in there? What's in there? Nothing. There's nothing in there. Nothing. Oh, nothing. That's all. It's gonna put you pretty in Now it's closed. I'll just keep it here in the box so I can keep it the Lego. And you put a little sprinkles in there. I think it's ready, so you can make it pretty. Thank you, baby. Now, okay, that's in there. Now put it in there. Look, and see if there's no way to put. Let's put my slime in there too. Wait. Make sure you guys subscribe. Okay, open it for me, please. I think I got the unicorn cake and the piggy cake and the kitty. I'm gonna get the kitty and the cake and the rainbow. Okay, now let's see if we got it. Got these. Come on, come on. Oh my God, the give right one. It's not squishy.
It's not?
No.
Really?
Give me.
But it should be squishy, right?
Yeah. Give me. Whoa, it's a teddy bear. I'm excited to see it. Oh! Let's sprinkle on this. And then we'll open the next one. Daddy. I'm almost done. Here you go. It's not squishy.
It's not.
No.
That's a little weird.
Whoa, 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 whoa. like it, but I can put it better. Mushy, mushy.
Smushy mushy.
Mushy, mushy.
Smushy mushy.
Mushy, mushy.
Smushy
Smushy,
mushy.
mushy, mushy.
Say it.
Mushy, mushy. Oh, Foggy! Okay, here you go. I think I got the Foggy. I have a little.
Let's open it together.
What's wrong? I'm not taking it out.
Just deal here.
Okay, okay. It's not the reason. I don't want to see it. Let's take it out. Okay, I think I can do it. Oh no, no, that's super cool. I love the hatchery. I love the hatchery. I love the hatchery. I love it. I love it all now. I open it. Oh, it's not a swag. Is it a swag? It doesn't have any tail.
What is it?
Wowie. What? It's just number 2. It's just number. It's just number 2. That's weird. Let's see. Okay, it's the frog I think. Look, it's the frog. Let's take this up. Yeah. Can help me? Okay. I like this one. It's really hard to open. The next time.
Okay.
Like so this is sand beach at Canada sand. This is like this little sand, but I think it has like some sand, but they don't they have it outside, and then I don't know what maybe a whale. I think it's going to be a whale. Daddy, open it to me, please. That's enough. I think I got it. Okay. I got the spoons like in this. Like, and I will. I think what's in there. I found something.
Whoa.
I think it's some money.
Let me see.
Wait. Oh, it's a like something you could protect. You could protect someone. Let's see what's in here. What is it? I found something. It's a whale too. It's a little coin. Whoa. What's in here? I saw another one. It's an octopus. We still have more sense sign. What is it? I don't see a sign. What was that sign in? What was there? What was there? What is it? What is it? What is it? I don't even know what it is. like this on side, and you can get a mystery. This is small mystery, like round boy cover Johnny Rose mystery. I'm ready to open it. I'm going to open the bottom. I'm going to open the bottom down here. So I open that way. So I open this. Whoa, I got this so funny. And let's see what's in this. Yo. I got someone. Which one is it? It's my favorite color. And it's blue. I think we got tiny diamonds. Llama. What did I get? I got pirate. It's my favorite color.
Whoa.
Now look at this one.
Whoa. That is nice.
It's pirate ship.
Ooh.
Again.
What is that?
It's a pirate. Ah. I'll say anything. This one's by pirate, and this one's by a pirate. We'll clean this up, and then we'll do the next one. Now for the next one. I'll do this one. Make it. Oh yeah. I get this one off. That's it. 1, 2, 3.
Make sure the line green, that other green.
Is that it?
Yep.
Okay. Daddy, open this one for me. And the DVD in there. It is a color. He can actually fit in there, but he can't. He can. Bye, honey. Bye, mommy. It's a baby one. Just kidding. That's the winner of the day. Nope. It is some. It's wheels. Wheels, la. You can take them off. See? Let's see. We got Wilma. He's a racer.
That's pretty nice.
Yes, that's fine.
Yes.